Good morning, children. Welcome back to General English online class. In the last class, we discussed about the sentence, words, and letters. Now, we are going to discuss about the capital and small letters. In English, there are dash letters. Tell me, children, how many letters are there alphabets? Yes, 26 letters are there in. Children, open your textbooks, page number 6. Open your General English textbooks, page number 6. In English, there are 26 letters. In English, there are 26 letters. These letters are written in two forms. How many forms these letters are there? Yes, two forms. One is large and second one is small. See here, children, letters in large form. Here are the letters. A to Z letters are there. These are the large form letters. And again, now see here, children, letters in small form. Here are the letters of small form. Next, the letters of the English alphabet written in large form are called capital letters or capitals. We call the letters of the English alphabet written in large form. These are the large form letters now. Yes, this is called the capital letters or capitals. Next, the letters of the English alphabet written in small form. Here are the letters or these are the small forms. What we called as? We call it as small letters or smalls. Small letters or smalls. Now let us start about the A-bit capital letters. Children, A-bit capital letters. Take any book and read a page out of it. See here, take any book and read a page out of it. You will see that most of the letters used to form words are small letters. Most of the letters, which letters are there? Small letters. But a few letters are in capitals also. How are there? Yes, a few letters are there in capitals also. Observe the following sentences. Here now we are going to observe these following sentences. Once again I am telling children, see here, ఏదైనా మనం బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేసామనుకో అన్ని లెటర్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, చాలా వరకు స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ పారాగ్రాఫ్లో ఎక్కువ ఏ లెటర్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి మీకు? ఎస్, స్మాల్ లెటర్సే కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. బట్ ఏ ఫ్యూ లెటర్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ క్యాపిటల్స్ ఆల్సో. The few letters are there. Now here see the capital letters. How the capital letters was wrote? Yes, it was in capital letters. ఇవన్నీ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్ లో రాసున్నాయి కదా, బోల్డ్ చేసి బ్లాక్ గా అలా కూడా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. Observe the following sentences. Now we are going to observe these sentences. The stars look like lamps. The stars look like tiny lamps. Okay. T is the capital letter. All the letters are small only. How the stars are look like? Tiny lamps. Next, second one. My sister Renu goes to a convent school. Here, see this? This is the convent school. My sister Renu. Renu is a name, no? That's why this is the capital letter. Goes to a convent school. In the above sentences, letters T, M, R. See here, letter T, M, R are capitals, while the rest of the letters are small. While the rest of the letters are small. Here are the T, M, R. These three letters only capital letters. Remaining other numbers are letters. Remaining other letters are small only. Mostly we use small letters in writing, but here and there we use capital letters also. Most of what we are using, small letters only we are using, but in some places what we are using, we use capital letters also. Now we are going to discuss about the B-bit use of capital letters. Use of capital letters. Children, A-bit use of capital letters in that A-bit. the first letter of the first word in every sentences. The first letter of the first word in the every sentences. What we are using at first letter of the first word, first letter first word ఉంటుంది కదా, అందులో మనం ఎలా యూస్ చేస్తామంట లెటర్ని? ఎస్, క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ని యూస్ చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, షీ. What is the first letter? S. S is the capital letter S. She has a storybook in her hand. She has a storybook in her hand. Next, second one. My sister is tall and slim. Here is the first letter is capital letter. And we are next going to the B bit. The first letter of the word God and of any word used for God. See here, the first letter of the word. What is the first letter of the word? God and of any word used for God. God అని యూజ్ చేయడానికి మనం రాస్తాం కదా, అవన్నీ ఎలా రాయాలంట? క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్లోనే రాస్తామంట. See here, we must pray to God every day. Here is the God, G is the capital letter. And here the first letter also the capital letter. We must pray to God every day. And next, second one, God. So here is a God now. That's why here we have to write the capital letter. God is all powerful. We must bow to His will. God is all powerful. Bow to His will. Now see the C bit. The first letter of a particular name of a person or place. The first letter of a particular name. కొన్ని నేమ్స్కి, పర్టిక్యులర్ నేమ్స్కి ఎలా ఉంటాయంటే ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ సమ్ ప్లేసెస్ ఆల్సో. ద ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పర్టిక్యులర్ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పర్సన్ ఆర్ ప్లేస్. See here, Birbal was one of the 9 gems of Akbar. Birbal is there, no? The B is a capital letter, and here Akbar, A is the capital letter. Next, second one. The Taj Mahal stands on the bank of the Yamuna at Agra. The Taj Mahal stands on the bank of the Yamuna at Agra. See here, Taj Mahal is there, no? T is the capital letter, and here M also the capital letter. These are the names. So some places, no? Yes, that's why here we have to write the capital letter. Here Yamuna, this is a river name. At starting Y is a capital letter. Agra is the place. A we have to write the capital letter. The Taj Mahal stands on the bank of the Yamuna at Agra. And next, D1. The first letter of the name of a day or month. See, the first letter of the name. First letter of the name of a days or months. Days, months are there, no? S. The first letter we must write the capital letter. See here, first one, Sunday is the last day of the week. Here Sunday now, that's why here we have to write the capital letter. Sunday is the last day of the week. Next, April, June, September and November have 30 days each. April, here April is a month name, no? That's why the first letter is a capital letter, and June also the month name. So here J is a capital letter, S is a capital letter, and here November also a month name. This is the capital letter. Have 30 days each. April, June, September and November ki any days ఉంటాయంట? 30 days ఉంటాయి. Remaining has 31 days. Okay, next, E bit. The first letter of the first word of each line of a poem. పోయం ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ పోయంలో కూడా ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఏముంటుంది? క్యాపిటల్ లెటరే ఉంటుంది. సి ద ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ పోయం. Boys and girls come out to play. See here, this is a poem. Boys and girls come out to play. Here B, capital letter. This is the way to be fit and gay. This is the way to be fit and gay. Next, F bit. The letters I and O when used as independent words. Here are the letters I and O. These letters are the independent words. See here, I shall do what you. Okay, children, see again. I shall do what you advise me. I shall do what you advise me. Next, second one. Save me, O God, from this trouble. Save me, O God, from this trouble. O and I are the independent letters. ఈ O and I ఎలా రాస్తామంటే సింగిల్గా ఇండిపెండెంట్గా ఉంటాయి, వేరే దాంతో లింక్ అవ్వకుండా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, now open your textbooks page number 7. Now take your pencil and open your textbook. Worksheet A bit. Rewrite each sentence using capital letters where needed. Where the capital letter is needed, we have to arrange the capital letters. We have to remove the small letter and write the capital letter. See here what I told at first. S. The sentence beginning first letter is there, no? S. That letter must and should the capital letter. Here is the small letter is there. So here we have to convert this M into capital letter. My. Okay, what is the sentence? See, my cousin is living in Australia these days. Okay, my M is a capital letter and underline the M also. Why? Because it is very easy to identify. That's why underline the letter M. Cousin, we have to write this cousin. Cousin is living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living in. Where the cousin was living? Australia. Australia is the place. A, we have to write the capital letter A and underline the letter A. U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A. Australia. These days. See here what we changed here, M and A. My cousin is living in Australia these days. Okay children, M and A are the capital letters. Kalpana flew to Mumbai last Sunday at 8 a.m. Here K, we have to write the capital letter K and underline it. K-A-L-P-A-N-A. Kalpana flew, F-L-E-W, flew to, T-O-2, where Mumbai is a place, no? So here M is a capital letter. M and underline the letter M-U-M-B-A-Y. Mumbai last Sunday. See here what I told, the first letter of the name of the day and months. Day and months are the first letter is there, no? That letter we must and should write the capital letter. So here this is the which day? Sunday. So S is a capital letter. Last Sunday and underline the S. At which time? 8 a.m. Okay children, Kalpana flew to Mumbai last Sunday at 8 a.m. Underline the S, M, K. These letters are the capital letters. See the third one. We all are Indians and so we are brothers and sisters. We all are Indians and so we are brothers and sisters. Write the first letter capital letter, no? W-E. W underline. All are Indians, no? I capital letters. I-N-D-I-A-N-S. I capital letter. Indians and so we are brothers and sisters. Okay children, next fourth one. Bangalore is in Karnataka. It is the city of gardens. Here these two are the which one? S. Places. So we have to write the starting B and K are the capital letters. Bangalore, B-E-N-G-A-L-U-R-U. Bangalore. Underline the B. is in Karnataka. No, write the capital K. Karnataka, Karnataka. Okay, children, and write it. I also capital does. Why? Because here police stop is there, no? Yes, that's why we have to write I also the capital letter. Full stop is there here. It is the city of gardens. Okay, next, fifth one. The Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan at Delhi. The Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan at Delhi. Which letters we have to write? Capital one, T. First we have to write the T is a capital letter, T. H is a capital letter, R, E, D. Red, F-O-R-T. Red Fort was built, B-U-I-L-T. Built by, S is a capital letters, S-H-A-H. Okay, S-H-A-H. Shah Jahan, J-A-H-A-N. At Delhi, no, D also capital letter, D-E-L-H-I. Underline the word D. T-R-F-S-D are the capital letters here. B-bit. Write the names of the days of the week. Now we have to write the days of the week. How many days are there? S. 7 days. Now write first one is Monday. M is a capital letter. Now see here. The first one is Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Next, Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Next one is Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Friday after which one's children? S. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Next one is, at last one is Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The first letter is capital letter. We have to write the capital letter at first one. Here M is the capital letter. Here T is the capital letter. W. Here also T, F, S, S. These letters are the capital letters. Okay. Now see children, see bit. Write the names of the months of the year. Here we have to write the months. What is the first month? January. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. Okay, January. Next, February. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. March. M-A-R-C-H. March. March after S. April. A-P-R-I-L. April. Next. May. J-U-N-E. June. J-U-L-Y. July. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. Next, September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. N-O-V-E-M BER, November. DECEM, December. See here, the first letter is a capital letter. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Here see, J is a capital letter, F is a capital letter, M is a capital letter, A is a capital letter, M is a capital letter, J is a capital letter, and here also J is a capital letter, A is a capital letter, S is a capital letter, O is a capital letter, N is a capital letter, and D is also capital letter. Next, D bit, write the names of any three mountains. Here we have to write the mountain names. Tell me children, how many mountains are there? So many are there, no? Now here we have to write only any three. The first one is Himalayas. H is a capital letter. H I M A L A YAS. Himalayas. H is a capital letter here. Vindhyachal. V is a capital letter. VINDYACHAL. Here Y is a capital letter. And next, Aravali. A is a capital letter. ARAWALI. Aravali. ARAWAIL. Here A and here V. Here H. These three letters are capital letter. Some places we have to write the capital letters now as H, V and A are the capital letters. Last class, so many members are not completed the textbook and not sent it also. Okay children, now you have to complete the General English textbook and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you children.